What's up, everyone? Today we're diving headfirst into the future. We're talking about the biggest tech trends that are going to be everywhere you look in 2025. These aren't just your average incremental upgrades. We're talking about the kind of stuff that could seriously change how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the tech goodness coming your way. Now let's dive into the top 5 emerging tech trends you absolutely need to watch in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, we're tackling the elephant in the room. Or maybe it's more like the AI in the server room. We're talking about AI governance platforms. Imagine a world where AI is making decisions about everything from traffic flow to medical diagnoses. But with great power comes great responsibility, and that's where AI governance platforms come in. These platforms are basically the rule books and guardrails for AI, making sure it's used ethically and responsibly. Think of it like this: AI is like this super powerful sports car. AI governance platforms are those safety features. They help us answer those big philosophical questions like, what is ethical AI? How do we prevent bias in algorithms? And who's ultimately responsible when an AI makes a decision? They'll provide the tools and frameworks for monitoring AI, ensuring transparency, and holding it accountable. Now you might be thinking, okay, that's important and all, but how does this actually work in the real world? Well, imagine a company is developing an AI-powered hiring platform. An AI governance platform would come in and make sure that the algorithm used in that hiring platform is fair, unbiased, and doesn't discriminate against anyone. That's just one example, but you can see how important this is across a wide range of industries and applications. We're talking about healthcare, finance, education, even things like self-driving cars. Companies and organizations are starting to take AI governance seriously, and they're investing in platforms that will help them build trust and transparency into their AI systems. So if you're interested in the future of tech, AI governance platforms are definitely something you need to keep your eye on. Next up, let's talk about another pressing issue that's only going to become more challenging in the coming years: disinformation. This is a topic that affects everyone, from individuals to large organizations, and it's crucial that we understand its implications. We're living in an age where information spreads at lightning speed, but not all of that information is accurate or trustworthy. The sheer volume of data we encounter daily can be overwhelming, making it difficult to discern what is true and what is false. In fact, we're constantly bombarded with fake news, deepfakes, and other forms of digital deception. These misleading pieces of information can have serious consequences, influencing public opinion, swaying elections, and even inciting violence. That's where disinformation security comes in. This field is dedicated to protecting the integrity of the information we consume and ensuring that we can trust the sources we rely on. It's like the water filter for the internet, helping us separate fact from fiction and ensure that the information we're consuming is reliable. Just as we wouldn't drink dirty water, we shouldn't consume unverified information. Disinformation security uses a variety of techniques to combat the spread of fake news. These methods are constantly evolving to keep up with the ever-changing tactics of those who spread false information. One of the most important is data authentication. This process ensures that the information we receive is genuine and has not been tampered with. Think of it like a digital fingerprint for information. Each piece of data can be traced back to its source, making it easier to verify its authenticity. Disinformation security systems can analyze data from various sources and verify its authenticity, making it much harder for malicious actors to spread false narratives. This cross-referencing process is crucial in maintaining the integrity of the information we consume. Another key aspect of disinformation security is impersonation prevention. This involves identifying and stopping individuals who create fake profiles or send phishing emails to deceive others. We've all seen those fake social media profiles or phishing emails designed to trick us into giving up personal information. These tactics can be incredibly convincing and difficult to spot. Disinformation security helps to identify and shut down these fake accounts, making it more difficult for scammers and impersonators to operate. This not only protects individuals but also helps maintain the overall trustworthiness of online platforms. But it's not just about technology. Human vigilance and education play a crucial role in combating disinformation. Disinformation security also involves educating people on how to spot fake news and be more critical consumers of information. By learning to question and verify the information we encounter, we can all contribute to a more informed society. Now, you might be wondering, what does disinformation security look like in action? How can we see these systems working in real time? Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and you come across a post claiming that a major celebrity has passed away. This kind of news can spread like wildfire, but it's important to verify before sharing. Before you hit that share button, a disinformation security system could quickly verify the information, cross-referencing it with reputable news sources and flagging it as potentially false. This helps prevent the spread of misinformation and ensures that only accurate information is shared. As we become more reliant on digital information, disinformation security is only going to become more critical. The more we depend on digital platforms for news and information, the more important it is to ensure that this information is accurate. By investing in robust disinformation security systems and educating ourselves on how to spot fake news, we can help protect the integrity of our online world and ensure that we're making informed decisions based on accurate information. This is a collective effort that requires both technological solutions and human awareness. All right, let's shift gears now and talk about something a little different. Green manufacturing practices. We all know that technology has a huge impact on the environment, from the energy used to power our devices to the e-waste generated when we upgrade to the latest and greatest gadget. But it doesn't have to be this way. Green manufacturing is all about finding ways to produce technology in a more sustainable and eco-friendly way. Think of it like this. We're used to the traditional manufacturing model, which is kind of like a one-way street. You take resources, you make stuff, and then a lot of that stuff ends up in a landfill. Green manufacturing is about creating a circular economy, where we're reusing and recycling materials, reducing waste, and minimizing our environmental impact. One of the key aspects of green manufacturing is energy efficiency. We're talking about designing factories and production processes that use less energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. Another important aspect is waste reduction. Traditional manufacturing generates a ton of waste, including scrap materials, packaging, and even hazardous chemicals. Green manufacturing aims to minimize waste at every stage of the production process. The best part is that green manufacturing isn't just good for the planet, it's also good for business. So if you're looking for a tech trend that's both innovative and impactful, green manufacturing is definitely one to watch. All right, let's dive into something a little more complex but equally important. PostQuantum cryptography. This is a field that is rapidly gaining attention in the tech world. Now, I know that sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but trust me, this is real, and it's going to be crucial for our digital security in the years to come. The advancements in quantum computing are not just theoretical, they are happening right now. To understand post-quantum cryptography, we first need to talk about quantum computing. This revolutionary technology is set to change the landscape of computing as we know it. Quantum computers are a new breed of computers that are being developed that can perform calculations far faster than traditional computers. They leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways that classical computers simply cannot. We're talking about exponentially faster. The speed and efficiency of quantum computers are on a whole new level, like solving problems in minutes that would take traditional computers thousands of years to crack. This leap in computational power is both exciting and daunting. Well, it is, but it also presents a potential problem. The very same power that makes quantum computers so revolutionary also makes them a threat to our current encryption methods. The encryption we use today to secure our online data, from our bank accounts to our medical records, relies on complex mathematical problems that are difficult for traditional computers to solve. These encryption methods have been the backbone of digital security for decades. But quantum computers? They could potentially break through these encryptions like a hot knife through butter. This means that all the data we consider secure today could be at risk. That's where post-quantum cryptography comes in. It's a new frontier in the world of digital security. It's like the next generation of encryption, designed to be resistant to attacks from even the most powerful quantum computers. This new form of cryptography aims to protect our data against future threats. Think of it this way. Our current encryption is like a bicycle lock. It's effective for now, but not against the advanced tools of tomorrow. Post-quantum cryptography is like upgrading to a bank vault. It's a much more robust and secure solution. It's designed to withstand even the most sophisticated attacks, ensuring that our data remains secure even in the face of quantum threats. This is essential for maintaining trust in our digital systems. Now you might be thinking, okay, that sounds important, but how does it actually work? The mechanics behind it are fascinating. Well, without getting too technical, PostQuantum cryptography uses different mathematical approaches that are believed to be resistant to quantum algorithms. These new methods are being rigorously tested and developed. Researchers are developing a variety of post-quantum cryptographic algorithms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. This diversity is crucial for creating a robust defense against future quantum threats. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, and it'll be a while before these machines are powerful enough to pose a real threat to our current encryption methods. However, the time to prepare is now. So, while post-quantum cryptography might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, it's a real and pressing issue that's going to be crucial for our digital security in the years to come. The future of our digital world depends on it. Finally, let's talk about something that's already revolutionizing the way we make things. Smart factories. These are not just a glimpse into the future. They are the present reality, reshaping industries across the globe. Imagine a factory where everything is connected, where machines talk to each other and where data is used to optimize every aspect of the production process. This interconnectedness ensures that every component of the factory works in harmony, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. That's the power of smart factories. They are not just about automation. They are about intelligent automation, where systems learn and adapt to improve continuously. We're talking about a world where robots work alongside human workers, where sensors track every step of the production process, and where artificial intelligence analyzes data in real time to identify bottlenecks, predict maintenance needs, and optimize efficiency. This collaboration between humans and machines creates a dynamic and flexible production environment. One of the key technologies driving smart factories is the Internet of Things, IoT. IoT enables a network of physical devices to communicate and share data, creating a cohesive and responsive production system. This is all about connecting physical devices to the internet, allowing them to communicate with each other and share data. This connectivity ensures that every part of the production process is monitored and optimized. In a smart factory, this means that everything from the machines on the factory floor to the products themselves can be connected, creating a seamless flow of information. This real-time data exchange is crucial for maintaining high efficiency and quality. Another crucial element is cloud computing. Cloud technology provides the necessary infrastructure to store and process the vast amounts of data generated by smart factories. Smart factories generate massive amounts of data, and cloud computing provides the storage and processing power needed to handle all that information. This allows for scalable and flexible data management solutions. This allows for real-time data analysis, which is essential for optimizing production processes and identifying potential problems before they even arise. Predictive maintenance enabled by data analytics ensures that machines are serviced before they fail, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Smart factories are also about people. They're about creating a more collaborative and efficient work environment where human workers are freed from repetitive tasks and can focus on more complex and rewarding work. This shift not only enhances job satisfaction but also drives innovation. They're about creating a more collaborative and efficient work environment where human workers are freed from repetitive tasks and can focus on more complex and rewarding work. This human-machine synergy is the cornerstone of modern manufacturing. Now you might be wondering, okay, that sounds impressive, but what are the real-world benefits of smart factories? The advantages are numerous and impactful. Well, for starters, they're incredibly efficient. By optimizing production processes and reducing downtime, smart factories can significantly increase output and reduce costs. This efficiency translates to higher profitability and competitive advantage. By optimizing production processes and reducing downtime, smart factories can significantly increase output and reduce costs. This means that companies can produce more with less, leading to cost savings and increased market responsiveness. So, whether you're talking about manufacturing cars, smartphones, or even personalized medicine, smart factories are transforming the way we make things. They are setting new standards for quality, efficiency, and innovation in production. So, there you have it, the top 5 emerging tech trends to watch in 2025. From AI governance platforms to disinformation security systems, these trends are not only changing the tech landscape, but also shaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of emerging technologies, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Techcademy Labs channel for more tech insights. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which trend you're most excited about. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.